Okay, so the final thing I want to talk about is overlay. I use this with every single one of my covers. I don't know why, but I love doing this. It makes it look so much better. It's so simple. It's going to be a very quick video. So all overlay is, or overlap, is making sure you have an element of your cover, a main image, or an element around your cover go over your text or over a box or over something. You want it to overlap because that way you can see the different layers behind and it creates a sense of 3D space. So look at David Goggins' head. Can you see how it goes over the text? The text is still readable, but this piece of text is behind his head and this piece of text is in front of his head. So we know that there's a sense of 3D space because there's a text layer here, then in front of the text layer is David Goggins' head, and then in front of David Goggin is another text layer. So these three layers create a sense of depth. And this isn't the only book that does it. A lot of books do it. This is a book that we looked at before. Look at this. Look at these little vegetable things here. They're overlapping the box, the yellow box. And because they're overlapping it, it gives it a sense of 3D space. Let's take a look at another one. Look at this dinosaur book. Look at how dynamic this dinosaur book looks. Now, why does it look so dynamic? Because look at the way it overlaps the text. This is a very big dinosaur, and the whole body of the dinosaur is behind the text, but the chin or the bottom part of the dinosaur's mouth is overlapping the A. Same with this guy. This guy's overlapping the D in dinosaur. So by creating that overlap, you create a sense of 3D space, which is very powerful. And a bunch of covers do this. A bunch of very famous ones. This book is selling so many copies a day. And look at the parrot's wing. Very small, but it overlaps the E in addition. Look at the woman's hair. It overlaps the text. This creates a sense of 3D space. It doesn't make it feel like your book title is just floating in the cover. It makes it feel like it's all part connected. It's all part of one. So we know that these things are in the foreground and the title is in the same space as the book cover, but it's in the background. So by creating overlap, it gives your cover a sense of 3D space. It makes it look so much more professional, and it's going to help you get a lot more clicks on your cover. So I hope this was helpful.